Hello everyone, it's me again. So today we are going to talk about PEMDAS and BODMAS. So in this session we are going to unpack about this method or this terminology in mathematics. Why not usually the students are confused when they solve a math problem that combines addition and subtraction, multiplication and division, or the numbers in the brackets, or even exponents. Which part do we solve first? Is it addition or subtraction, or the number in the brackets first, or what? So in this session, we are going to talk it one by one from PEMDAS and BODMAS. Do these methods have the same answers or different answers? This is the order of operations. Okay, PEMDAS. P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiply or divide, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. And then how about BODMAS? BODMAS, B stands for brackets. It's the same like parentheses. O stands for orders. It's like exponents, powers, and roots. And D stands for division. M stands for multiplication. A stands for addition. S stands for subtraction. So this is the important things. Okay, for PEMDAS, MD or multiplication or divisions, it must from left to right. Okay, whichever comes first in the equation, we have to solve from left to right. Okay, no matter is it multiplication or division. And also for addition and subtraction, whichever comes first, it must be solved from left to right, no matter is it addition or subtractions. But in both must, we have to start from division. Okay, we have to follow the rule. We start to solve the number in the brackets and followed by orders and division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Okay, so here is the example I give to you. The equation is 4 divided by 2, and the number in the brackets is 3 times 6. Okay, now let's solve it by using PEMDAS rule. Okay, in PEMDAS rule, we solve the number in the bracket, which is 4 divided by 2, and then 3 times 6 equals to 18. The next will be followed by division. Why? Because in PEMDAS rule, no matter is it multiplication or division, we have to start from left to right. So the first is division, right? So 4 divided by 2 equals to 2, and then times 18 equals to 36, right? Is it 36, right? Now, let's continue with BODMAS rule. Yeah. So in BODMAS, we start to solve the number in the brackets. 4 divided by 2. And then 3 times 6 equals to 18. And then we will follow by a division. Okay. 4 divided by 2 equals to 2. And then 2 times 18 equals to 36. It will be the same. Okay. All right, everyone, lots. So now let's continue the next one. 4 times 20 divided by 10. Okay, so we are going to solve this. We start with division. Okay, so 4 times 20 and then divide by 10. In PEMDAS, we start with the multiplication. Why? Because the rule, whichever comes first in the equation, okay, we start from left to right, which is 4 times 20 equals to 80, and then divide by 10 will be 8. Okay, and then how about in BODMAS rule will be 4 times 20 divided by 10. So we start with a division, okay, and then 4 times 20 divided by 10 will be 2, and then 4 times 2 becomes 8. The same. Okay, they are equivalent, right? Okay, now let's continue. The next example. Okay, so here is the next example. 20 minus the number in the brackets, 2 times 3, and then times 4 again, and plus 3 squared. Okay, so we start to solve the number in the brackets, which is 2 times 3 equals to 6, times 4, and then plus 3 squared. Okay, and then the next, we solve exponents. Okay, 20 minus 6 times 4, and then plus 9, because 3 squared equals to 3 times 3 equals to 9. And then the next is multiplication, of course. 20 minus 6 times 4 equals to 24 plus 9. Okay, and then in PEMDAS rule, addition or subtraction, whichever comes first while moving from left to right, which is 20 minus 24 equals to minus 4 plus 9. Okay, so negative 4 plus 9 becomes 5, positive 5, right? So the answer is 5. And then how about in BODMAS rule? It's the same. 20 minus, we solve the number in the brackets first, 2 times 3, sorry. We solve the number in the brackets first, 2 times 3 is 6, times 4, and then plus 3 squared, and then 20 minus 6 times 4 plus 3 squared equals to 9. It's the same. We just follow the rule. 20 minus 6 times 4 equals to 24 plus 9. And then in BODMAS, we start from addition. Okay, 20 minus negative 24 plus 9 equals to negative 15. So 20 minus 15 equals to 5. The result, the same. They are equivalent. So there is no problem to us which one do we choose? Is it PEMDAS rule or BODMAS rule? Because they are equivalent. Okay. So that's all for today, everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you on the next video. Bye bye.